Blue sedan?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Good morning, Mr. Cruz again, guys.
Morning.
Woohoo! Only I came almost 9 o'clock. But after 12, I dropped my wife again in the hospital. And maybe this coming afternoon, I come back. But I still continues my video, guys. See, look my spot, guys. And Mr. Cruz again in the morning. Alright. And one fisherman o talaja. And one Filipino also there. And one talaja, guys. And si Mr. Cruz. Good morning, bro.
Morning.
Alright. Continuous natin, guys. This time, guys.
I'm just gonna drop my bag on the search for CCTV.
Yeah, alright, pa. Thank you, pa.
Alright.
See, guys. This empty. Only starting. And let's go. Try again. Alright. Morning, Mr. B. Guys. Morning, guys. Yung guys, oh. Malakas. Mama. Paluin, guys. Na. Guys, oh. Kukunin pa ng ano, guys. Imamainda si guys, oh. Laki. First catch natin, guys. Sa umaga nito, nakadalawang putol agad tayo kasi, guys. But this time, ayun, guys, oh. Not bad na yan, guys. Alright, continues natin to, guys. After this one, I come back this coming afternoon and I continues the video too. Bigger po may cellphone, guys. Alright, papadyo, let's go. Guys, oh, pangalawa natin. Ano yun? Medyo may kalayuan lang, guys. Okay, so yun, backup tayo kasi nasa under shield naman tayo, guys, ng panther dito, guys. Kaya at least nakadalawa naman tayo, guys, oh. Ayun, oh, buti nasa dulo lang. Ayun, oh. Ayan, nasa dulo lang, naduluan na ng ano, ayun, oh. Buti hindi natanggal. Thank you, Lord. Ayun, nakadalawa na tayo agad. Continuous natin, guys, ah. Continuous ko na, eh. Ayun, oh. Guys, oh. Na. Ay, maputi, oo. Alright. Uy! Ayos, buwinas yun. Nakatatlo na agad. Guys, time to go because I want to drop my wife now, guys. 10:30. I come back this afternoon and continues catching. At least this morning, only like 1 hour. I will be catching like this one. Afternoon, I continues this one. Alright. Sige lang, guys. Enjoy fishing, guys. Alright. Continues natin, guys, kasi almost 2 hours raining, guys. Kaya back to fishing again, guys. But this morning I catching only 3. But this time, let me see what I got today, guys. Alright. Yeah. It's again. First catch natin again, guys. Alright. Si Mr. Cruz, guys. She always every day in the beach side because is apartment sa Joy apartment before. Yeah, at least hindi tayo na zero ngayon guys. Kaya kanina umaga only 4. But this time starting again. Continuous lang guys ha. No, good size oh. Mr. B. Listen guys. Continuous lang natin guys. See. Ayun. Mama. Ayun guys oh. Parting na sa guys oh. Ayun guys oh. Nakadalawa agad tayo. Oh. See? Not yet 3 minutes, no? Okay, Mr. Cruz, guys, oh. Busy to talking the family. But Papa Joy busy to catching. Maka-wish tayo, guys. Makasampu tayong sa hanggang maghapon ito. Okay na. Guys, oh. Pangatlo natin to pag magnakuha natin, guys. Pag hindi na malalaki, guys. Kasi mayroon gwardiya, guys. Mayroon ayun. Ayun. We have a short piece guys, very big. That's the one eating my bread. Hindi pa naman yung ano natin. Continue lang guys. This. Umpisa pa naman. Magaga pa naman guys. Plus 4:30 na. Ayun o. Guys oh. Mama. Ayun. Wala. Maputi guys. Si mama. 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 There. Guys, ayos. Guys, ayos. Tay. Ulan, nagkagahata na guys. Ay. Hindi nakapagintay si mama. Ay. Ayan guys oh. 3. 4 pa lang guys. Kutis natin. Oh. Huli na. I take it. Alright. Kutis natin guys. Sana yun? Sa tabi na guys. Yes mama, sorry for you. Ayun o. Okay, so. Ano to? Oh, sa tiyan lang yata guys nadali. Ha? Teka. Labitan natin. Tiyan lang yata guys. Hindi natin napuruan sa ano. Dali din talaga siya. Yan na, may 5 na tayo. Okay na yan. Kaya umaga, 4, 5. Mga 6 pa tayo yan guys. Oh. Yan oh. At least may activities man tayo. Yan oh. Lutay na kasi guys. Oh. Si Mr. Castro. Hadi. Yeah. Lutay masyado guys. Ilang, putisan natin. Si Andy. Natalagya man with Herman Prin. But me, Papa-Jew guys. This tayo guys. Kasi hapon na. Almost 5 already. Mayroon. Yun o. Yung laki o. Alright, magkilala pala kayo na yung duni. Kontes na tayo guys. Alright. Guys, whoop. Malulayo guys. Malayo kasi guys. Lang. Yun. Following guys. Oh mama. Oh, guys, laki naman guys. Oh. Alright, ganyan lang guys. Isa-isa lang. Isa-isa lang, but rock. Ha? Ano na, nakapito na. Oo, may. Alright guys, continue natin guys. Hey, wait first. We have two beautiful and handsome boy. Woohoo! Good smiling guys. And Papa Joey catching the big maputi again guys. Ito sa atin guys, nakat pa. Yan guys yung aking mga customer guys. Oh. The handsome boy and the beautiful. And si mama guys. Here's coming. Oh mama. Again guys. Yeah. Continue sa natin guys. Oh, wow. No. Be careful this one. Very dangerous this fish. Alright. See? 7, 8. That is here still have. Alright, kuntis lang. Alright guys. Continue sa natin guys. Oh. Saan yun? Si mama guys. Ayun. Come mama. Come to Papa J mama. Come on. Come mama. Sit down your bucket. Remember. Yun guys. Ganoon guys. Whoop. 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 Come mama. Come on. There. Is that? Yes sir. Always sit down with si mama guys. Continue sa natin guys. Share na si mama guys. Oh. Ayun na guys. Huli natin guys. Yan. I don't know how many again guys plus this one. Continuous lang. Right Mr. B. Continuous catching. Still catching guys. Sana yun. Come mama. Yan na. Ayun. Layo na ko guys. Ayun. Oh mama. Yung guys. Laki yung guys. Alright. Alright. It's good. Continuous natin guys. Andun yung mga taladya guys sa dulo. Mamaya bilangin natin kung many pieces again nag-catch into the guys. Very fat Alright, let's go Papa Joey. Continuous natin guys. Wala pa sa 2 minutes guys. You trust me guys. You believe me. I throw bike. Ayan guys. Mama. Stay nice. Tas Papa Jerry guys. Tinan nyo lang guys. Parang nag-harvest naman tayo guys. See that? Alright Papa Jerry. Kunis lang. Stop talaga dito guys. 9 non-stop. Continuous catching kahit medyo 6 o'clock na. Yan na yun guys. Lang. Ayun Kaya double. Guys Continuous natin. Kahapon naka 17 tayo. And I don't know how many this one at least catching 10 pieces. Oh, di okay guys. Guys, still biting guys. Come on, mama. Malayo bis, very far. At least play. At least still biting mama. Mama. Ooh. Big again. Oop. Yeah. He's safe now. Safe now, mama. See, like green dart. I don't know how many pieces again, guys. Wow, it's a lot again. Woohoo! Ha? Kuntis lang habang still biting. Guys, oop. Kuha mama. Guys, oh, saan yun? Kuha mama. Ayun guys. It's coming. Whoa. If he fight to you guys, you release. Don't make a fight because making a cut your this big size again. Alright. Harvest time again guys. Wow, Papa Joey. Alright, mama. Kuntis natin guys. Alright guys. Time to go. Kita yung kayong isda ko guys. Okay, so. Still alive. It's in the house. And counting this one maybe like 13 or 14 or 15. Alright. So in the house guys, still alive. Alright lang, kuntis lang. Alright guys, this is it again guys. See, ay lalo niya. Put it on the other side. This is it again, may catching today guys. I don't know how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5, yeah, 15 guys. Alright, thank you Lord. And I cannot talk guys yesterday and today, but this morning I catching only 4. At least it's okay today. Right? I love you guys, and I love you mama in the sea, and I love you mama in the land, and I love you everybody guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe guys. God bless to you guys. I wish if you go fishing like Papa Gary to the same catching guys. Love you guys. See you soon. Another video. Alright, let's go lang guys. Tomorrow I don't know what my schedule again guys. Alright.